Now, today I am going to begin force and torque acting on an electric dipole placed in uniform electric field. So see here, what is the meaning of uniform electric field? Means which remains uniform in magnitude as well as in direction over a region. What is the meaning of uniform electric field? Means remains same in magnitude as well as in direction. How it is represented? It is represented by straight parallel lines which are equidistant. It's clear? Means we can represent the uniform electric field by the straight parallel lines which are equidistant. It is representing a uniform electric field. Now see here, we will find out the force acting on an electric dipole and torque acting on an electric dipole when it is placed in uniform electric field. मतलब जब एक इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल when an electric dipole is placed in uniform electric field, then how much will be the force and how much will be the torque? So see here, we will take two positions. First position, when dipole is placed parallel to the electric field. Case 1, dipole is placed parallel to the electric field. Placed parallel to electric field. This is the first case. In this case, we will find out that what will be the force acting on the electric dipole and torque. So see here, suppose this is one of the charge of the dipole and this is the other charge. This is, we have taken plus q and this is minus q. It's clear. And they are separated by what distance? They are separated by 2l distance. As we know that, we assume the distance between both the charges of dipole as 2l. क्या assume करते हैं distance between both the charges as 2l. So see here, what will be the force acting on these two charges? You first see. तो देख लो, ये चार्ज Q इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E में रखा है, तो कितना फोर्स लगेगा? ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड Q into E. What will be the direction of force? So on the positive charge, फोर्स की डायरेक्शन वही होगी जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन है. जबकि अगर चार्ज निगेटिव है, then force will act opposite to the electric field. So this charge is positive. So what will be the direction of force on this? It will be in the direction of electric field. Means it will be this. What will be the direction of force on minus q? It will be opposite to this. Now you can see here. Who can tell the net force acting on the dipole here? Who can tell?
Sir, 0.
Why? Why it is 0?
Sir, acting opposite to each other.
Opposite the vector quantity.
Very good. Because both charges of dipole are experiencing equal and opposite forces. It's clear? As both charges of dipole experiences equal and opposite forces. Therefore, net force acting on dipole will be 0. Net force acting on dipole will be 0. क्यों? क्योंकि दोनों फोर्स एक दूसरे को क्या कर रहे हैं? They cancel out to each other. Whether it is clear? Now see here. You can see here that their line of action are also coinciding. अगर हम इस फोर्स की लाइन ऑफ एक्शन देखें तो ये क्या है? इस डॉटेड लाइन के along है. इस फोर्स की लाइन ऑफ एक्शन देखें, दैट इज आल्सो along the same dotted line. What is the perpendicular separation between their line of action? इन दोनों फोर्सेज के बीच की परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस क्या है? कि लाइन ऑफ एक्शन की परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस क्या है? What is the perpendicular distance between line of action of both the forces? Who can tell?
2L.
Same line से coincide कर रही हैं, therefore there is no. So what will be the torque? Torque will become 0. क्योंकि टॉर्क क्या होता है? F into R, और R यहाँ क्या है? 0 है. It's clear? This is clear or not? So see here, as line of action of both forces coincides, therefore perpendicular distance between their line of action equals to 0. Therefore, what will be the torque? F into R, that is F into 0. It will be equal to 0. Means neither any torque nor any force will act. It's clear? In this position, when the dipole is placed parallel to electric field, no torque, no force. Force भी 0 होगा and the torque will also be 0. This is clear? Now audio is reaching or not?
Yes, sir.
Now case 2 you can see. When dipole is not placed parallel to electric field, when dipole, this is case 2, is not placed parallel to electric field, means now dipole makes some angle from the direction of electric field. It makes some angle from the direction of electric field, means it is like this way. First, let me make the electric field. This is representing a uniform electric field. Everywhere direction of electric field is same, as well as the magnitude is also same. And this is the dipole. Dipole is placed this way. This is plus Q and this is minus Q. It's clear? Now you can see here what will be the direction of dipole moment. So direction of dipole moment is always directed from where to where? It is always directed from negative charge to the positive charge. This is the direction of electric field. So what is the angle? Angle is theta. Direction of electric dipole moment and इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इनके बीच का एंगल क्या है? थीटा. Now you can see here what is the force acting on plus q. How much force will act on plus q? मेधा सिंह, प्रतिष्ठा.
Sir, QE.
Q into E. In what direction?
Sir, towards C.
Towards C. Yes, very good. It is this Q into E. And here it will be opposite to E, means this. It's clear? यहाँ पर ये ऐसे एक्ट कर रहा है और यहाँ पर ये ऐसे. What will be the net force? Who
Net
can
force
tell?
will be 0.
Will be 0. क्यों? Because once again dipole is, both the charges of dipole are experiencing equal and opposite forces. It is clear? As both forces of dipole, both forces of electric dipole experiences equal and opposite force. Therefore, net force on the dipole will be zero. It's clear? मतलब क्या है? डाइपोल यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में चाहे जिस तरीके से रखा रहे, पैरेलल टू द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और नॉट पैरेलल टू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, in both cases net force will be 0. Now see here whether the torque will be 0 here or not. यहाँ क्या torque 0 होगा? So first you see what is the line of action of this force. You can see here, this is the line of action of this force. It is clear? What is the line of action of this force? It is this. Whether they are coinciding, कोई बताए? सक्षम
No,
यादव?
sir.
They are not coinciding. As line of action of both forces do not coincide. Therefore, a net torque will act on it. Will act on dipole. On the dipole, a net torque will act. Now, what will be the direction? What will be the magnitude of that torque? So, see here, it will be equal to 1 of the force multiplied by उनके बीच की perpendicular distance. So, torque equals to 1 force multiplied by perpendicular distance between line of action of both forces. Means you have to find the perpendicular distance between line of action of both the forces. It's clear? So you can see in the diagram what will be the perpendicular distance. एक की line of action ये है, दूसरे की ये है, क्या perpendicular distance हो जाएगी? This. It is clear? You can name this point. This point you can name as A, this point as B, and this point as P. You have to determine BP. You have to determine BP. What is AB here? Who can tell? AB कितने के बराबर है?
So 2L.
It is equal to 2L. It is clear. Now you can see here, this angle is theta. Therefore, this will also be theta. This will also be theta. अब सब लोग देखिए, हमको BP फाइंड आउट करना है, AB दिया है, and this angle is theta. So you apply sin theta. What will be sin theta here? It is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That is equal to BP upon 2L. So what is BP? It is 2L sin theta. It is 2L sin theta. Whether it is clear? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
2L sin theta. So what will be the torque? One of the force means QE into 2L sin theta. Now we will rearrange the term. Tau equals to Q into 2L, Q into 2L into E sin theta. What is Q into 2L? Q
Electric
into 2L.
dipole moment.
Electric dipole moment, that is tau equals to PE sin theta. It will be tau. Now see here. Here, this is a vector quantity. P and E both are vector quantity. And what is the angle between vector P and vector E? What is the angle? So you can see here, vector P is this and vector E is this. What is the angle? It is theta. Vector P and vector E के बीच का एंगल कितना है? थीटा. Angle between both vectors it is theta. So you can write it in vector form. Tau equals to vector P cross vector E. In vector form it will be this. It's clear? Or you can write tau equals to, it is the magnitude of vector P cross vector E. It is the vector product of this and this. Vector product of this and this. It's clear? Now see here. By using this formula, we will deduce the definition of electric dipole moment. By using this formula, we will deduce the definition of electric dipole moment. So see here, definition of electric dipole moment. EDPM means electric dipole moment. So as we know that tau equals to PE sin theta. When theta equals to 90 degree. What is theta here? Who can tell? Just now I have told. What is theta?
Angle between P and E.
Yes, angle between P and E, vector P and vector E. When theta is 90 means dipole will be placed in this way. Electric field के perpendicular dipole length. It's clear? That is dipole is placed perpendicular to direction of uniform electric field. Now, what will be the max torque acting on this position? So tau will be equal to P E sin 90. What is sin 90? It is equal to 1. Means tau equals to PE. But as we know that 1 is the maximum value of sine. साइन फंक्शन की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या होती है? 1 होती है. What is the maximum value? It is 1. It is clear. Therefore, torque will be maximum. Means we can write as maximum value of sin theta equals to 1. Therefore, a given dipole will experience maximum torque in a given electric field when it is placed perpendicular to direction of electric field. Now you can see here, a given dipole will experience maximum torque in a given electric field when it is placed perpendicular to direction of electric. When it is placed perpendicular to direction of electric field, means tau max equals to P into E. Is clear? मतलब क्या है? अगर डाइपोल ऐसे रखा है इस तरीके से, then how much will be the torque? It will be P into E. What will be the torque in this condition? Who can tell? What is torque in this condition?
0 degree.
No, not 0 degree. It will be 0. It's clear? Already we have reduced in the case 1. So see here. Now we have got this relation tau max equals to P into E. Now if, so what will be P? Tau max equals to upon E. P will be equal to tau max upon E. Now see here, if E equals to 1, then what will be P? Tau max upon 1, that is equal to tau max. It will be equal to tau max. It's clear? So see here, therefore electric dipole moment is equal to the maximum torque acting on the dipole. Is equal to maximum torque acting on the dipole when it is placed in the uniform electric field of unit strength perpendicular. Therefore, electric dipole moment is equal to maximum torque acting on electric dipole. Maximum torque acting on electric dipole when it is placed perpendicular to direction of uniform electric field of unit strength. Unit strength means it will be 1 Newton per coulomb. 1 Newton per coulomb. Now see here. Here you can skip this term. Perpendicularly you can skip. क्योंकि maximum अगर है तो perpendicular ही होगा. If it is experiencing maximum torque, then it must be placed perpendicular. So this is the definition of electric dipole moment deduced from the formula of electric torque. Deduced from the formula of torque. Electric dipole moment is equal to the maximum torque acting on electric dipole when it is placed perpendicular to direction of uniform electric field of unit strength. It is clear? Now see here. Now here torque will act in what direction? Whether it will act clockwise or anti-clockwise. So see here. Here where will be the center of mass? Center of mass will be somewhere here. This will try to rotate in this direction. This will try to rotate in this direction. ये कौन सी direction है? Clockwise. This is also clockwise. Means both forces are trying to rotate the dipole in clockwise direction. So this is a clockwise torque. It is a clockwise torque. किस direction में? Clockwise torque. Clockwise torque. This is clear? Now see here. Now the last topic is stable and unstable. Equilibrium, position of electric dipole in uniform. Stable and unstable equilibrium position of electric dipole in uniform electric field. Now first you know what is stable and what is unstable equilibrium. Suppose this is a piece of, here it is a piece of wood. Now you apply the force on this. When you will apply the force, what will happen? ये इसकी position क्या हो जाएगी? When you will apply the force, it will be lifted. Now if you leave it, what will happen? Once again it will come to the same position. Once again you can see here. Apply the force, it will be lifted. Now leave it, once again it will come to the same position. This is a stable equilibrium. But if it is kept like this, apply the force, position will be changed. Leave it, it will not return to the original position. हमने क्या है, फोर्स लगाया, ये नई पोजीशन में आ गया, फोर्स हटा दिया, it do not return to the same position. So see here, in which case it will be stable and in which case it will be unstable. You can see. And here dipole is placed parallel this way. This is plus Q and this is minus. It is clear? What is the direction of vector P? This. And vector E, this. Vector P and vector E are in same direction. Now you apply an external torque. हमने इस पर एक एक्सटर्नल टॉर्क एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में लगाया. किस डायरेक्शन में? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. So it will take this position. It's clear? You have applied an external torque in what direction? In anti-clockwise direction. When you will apply an external torque in anti-clockwise direction, dipole will take this position. Means now this will be minus q and this will be plus q. तो अब देख लो, यहां पर जब डाइपोल इस पोजीशन में आ गया, then it is experiencing one more torque besides the external torque. Besides the external torque, it is experiencing one more torque. और वो टार्क किस डायरेक्शन में लग रहा है बताओ? वो टार्क कौन सा है? इस पोजीशन पर डाइपोल पर एक्सटर्नल टार्क के अलावा एक और टार्क लग रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, एंड दैट इज एक्टिंग इन व्हाट डायरेक्शन? इन द क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. This is the torque because of the electric field. Torque because of the electric field. It's clear? It is acting in clockwise direction. As soon as you will remove this, जैसे ही हम एक्सटर्नल टार्क को हटा देंगे, क्या होगा? ये वाला एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन वाला टार्क खत्म हो जाएगा. And because of this clockwise torque, it will once again come to the same position. It will once again come to the same position. So if vector P and vector E are in same direction, or vector P and vector E are parallel, then electric dipole will be in stable equilibrium. It will be in stable equilibrium. Electric dipole will be in stable equilibrium. Now you see the second case. Here and now dipole is placed this way. This is minus q and this is plus q. Now Siddharth, switch off the audio. Turn off audio. Now you can see here what is the direction of dipole moment. It's this. This is electric field. Vector P and vector E are anti-parallel. Means when theta equals to 180 degree. Now you can see here, if you apply an anti-clockwise torque, अगर हम एक anti-clockwise torque लगाएं, external torque, it will take what position? It will take this position. Now minus q is this and this is the plus q. What will be the direction of force? What will be the direction of force? So plus q charge per in the direction of electric field. Minus q charge per opposite to electric field. Now, because of the electric field, a torque will act upon it. Electric field के कारण इस पर एक torque produce हो जाएगा. And that torque will act in what direction? It is also acting in the same direction. It is also acting in the same direction. Means जो torque electric field के कारण लग रहा है, वो किधर लग रहा है? In the same direction as the direction of external torque. As the direction of external torque. So if you remove it, what will happen? It will not come to this position. अगर हम इसको हटा भी दें, it will not come parallel to electric field. It will take a new position. So this is unstable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium means when dipole is placed in the uniform electric field in such a way that vector P and vector E are oppositely directed, they are anti-parallel, then it will be in the unstable equilibrium position. And when it is placed in such a way that vector P and vector E are parallel, then electric dipole will be in the stable equilibrium position. What is theta here? Here theta will be 0 degree.